So now in this video, we're going to go and just add in a few more details that we're going to need before we start modeling this structure that's going to hold up our stadium. And those items are going to be the lift cores and the other columns that we're going to need to view on the outside of the building. So to do that, we can go here and use a box. And we can zoom out and extrude that box up to here. And then we can take these columns here, and we can go and copy at least one of them to the new model. And we want to remember not to make an instance, but to make a copy. Just zoom into it to position it into the correct place. And then you just want to copy it across 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. And we'll instance that this time. And since the spacing is not the same, we can't use that tool. So we will do it manually. Copy it once, and I believe that this one we can copy 4 times. It's just the ones at the end that have a different spacing, which is quite common. So here we'll copy it this way, and now we need to copy these guys across to there. And I'm also holding down the space bar, or at least let me just get a better view of that by re-zooming in here. And now I can grab all of these in one go, and I can copy them across as well using instance. So each one of them is now an instance, so we can go into the front view, and we're going to edit the tower, the lift core, sorry, not the tower, but that, and we can copy that to this side here. We can create a copy of that since they're not the same height. And in our front view, we're going to edit these items now. So we can go to that box there and we can bring it down. Actually, that box will finish around about at this height. We don't know the exact height since we don't have it on our CAD file, so we can just do it visually. Say 120, let's give 120 a go. It should be around about there. Let's say 121. So just that it protrudes slightly higher than the uppermost level. And then the same thing with these, we can try 123. We can just nudge that ever so slightly so that it holds up this roof eventually. Then with this lift core, same thing. We'll move it slightly higher till there. And these columns should go at least up to there to sit underneath that slab. So again, this is quite visual. We won't see the top of these columns. They're just going to be sitting within the future structure that we're going to build. So now what we've done is we've added the columns to all the different models. We've added the columns here, and we've added in the lift cores that we will see protruding at the top. Now, in the next video, we're going to start this amazing structure that's surrounding our middle building, and that should be quite an exciting one, because as soon as we finish that, we can then start the modeling for the soccer field or the soccer stadium that is happening right at the top of our towers. So all of that we'll cover in the next video. Thanks for watching this little part. I know it's been slightly boring up till now because it's been pretty basic Podly modeling, but from now on it should become slightly more enthusiast friendly with people that want to see some of the mesh smoothing, some of the NURBS smoothing, etc. So we will have a look at that in the next video.